The northeastern U.S. is in the midst of yet another blizzard. New York City has seen more than 19 inches of snow in Central Park. Boston has gotten more than a foot, and Providence set a record with more than 32 inches of snow. All these cities seeing significantly more snow than Denver has seen all year.
So much. Meteorologist Chris Bianchi is joining us now to break down the differences from there to here, and it's night and day.
Kim, Alex, you want the number that I just kind of ran that stands out more than anything?
Yes.
In 5 hours this morning in Providence, Rhode Island, where they picked up about 33 inches from the storm, in 5 hours this morning, they got 13 inches of snow. That is what Denver has had all season long. So in 5 hours this morning, Providence, as much snow as Denver, Colorado's had all winter. I'll break it down for you. So first of all, this is the biggest snowstorm ever recorded in Providence, Rhode Island, 33 inches, 32.8 to be exact. Last 24 hours, Denver, all season long, 13.4 inches here in the Mile High City. And that 13.4 inch number, just to put that in perspective, before we kind of get back to the East Coast cities, usually at this point in the winter season, we've had about 32 inches of snow. So we're at about a third of where we should be so far this winter season. This is now our lowest season date snowfall since 1888. I don't remember that one. That was, what, a good 138 years ago. Fifth lowest season date on record. Now, here's some of those East Coast snow totals, all within the last 24 hours, and all that snow fell within 18 hours. So the way to think of this is that in about 18 hours, Providence, Rhode Island, New York, New Jersey, New York City, Central Park, Boston. By the way, Boston's going to end up with about 20 inches. It's still snowing there in Boston. And Philadelphia. All these cities with as much snow in the last 24 hours. And again, really within an 18-hour period as Denver has had since September the 1st collectively. So that is truly a shocking number. And maybe the final, depends on how you see it, right? Some people like the lack of snow that we've had this season. Some people like the warmth. Today in Denver, it was warmer than Miami. It was 66 for us in Denver today, warmer than Miami, warmer than even Key West, and warmer than Orlando, Tampa, and Jacksonville for us here in Denver. So our non-winter, Kim and Alex, in my opinion, depends on how you see it, of course, but if you are a warm weather lover, you'll certainly like this. But if you're a snow lover, kind of tough to not look back at what's going on the East Coast and going like, I want some of that. I'm in that camp.